Welcome! If you are looking to export dry goods from the Bahamas, you have come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the key steps involved in exporting via ocean freight, from ensuring regulatory compliance to choosing the right container for your shipment. Whether you're shipping to the US or another international market, we'll cover everything you need to know, including preparing the right documents, managing customs clearance, and arranging final delivery. Stick around as we break down each step, making the process smoother and more efficient for your business. Let's get started. The first step in exporting dry goods via ocean freight is ensuring regulatory compliance. Start by verifying that your goods meet BAHFSA standards, and if you're shipping to the US, make sure they also comply with FDA regulations. Depending on your product, you may need to obtain certain certifications, such as a certificate of origin or a phytosanitary certificate for agricultural products. If you're dealing with food-related goods, you'll also need clearance from BAHFSA to proceed. Now that your order is confirmed, it's time to prepare the necessary documents for shipment. First, you'll need a commercial invoice, which outlines the quantity, description, and price of the goods. Next, create a packing list that includes all the packaging details. Don't forget the bill of lading, which acts as both a receipt and a contract for ocean carriage. Lastly, you'll need to submit a customs export declaration via the Click to Clear portal to comply with export regulations. Having these documents ready will help ensure a smooth shipping process. The next step is the Import Security Filing, ISF, also known as 102, which is mandatory for all U.S. imports. This filing must be submitted at least 48 hours before your shipment departs to ensure compliance with U.S. regulations. Typically, a U.S. customs broker handles the ISF filing, ensuring that all necessary information is accurately submitted. Timely completion of this step is crucial to avoid any delays in the import process.
Listed above are some photo examples of the documents needed for this export process to be done.
Once all of your documentation is prepared and completed, the next step is to ensure goods are securely packed and labeled according to destination country regulations. Now that your goods are packaged and labeled, you'll need to select an ocean carrier for your shipment. Depending on the size of your cargo, you can choose between a full container load or a less than container load. If you have enough goods to fill an entire container, FCL is often the most cost-effective option. However, if your shipment is smaller, LCL allows you to share container space with other shipments, which can be a more economical choice. Consider your shipment size and budget when making this decision. In this step, you'll submit all your export documentation through the Click to Clear platform, ensuring that everything is in order for customs processing. Depending on the nature of your shipment, you may also need to present your goods for customs inspection. This inspection helps verify that the contents match the provided documentation and comply with regulatory requirements. Being prepared for this step can help facilitate a smoother customs clearance process. Once your export documentation is in order, it's time to load the goods into the shipping container and seal it securely. After loading, the vessel will depart from the Bahamas, beginning its journey to the destination port. During transit, it's important to track your shipment to stay updated on its status and ensure everything is proceeding as planned. This tracking will help you anticipate any potential delays and keep your recipients informed. In this step, you'll need to provide all required documents, including the bill of lading, commercial invoice, packing list, and ISF confirmation, to your U.S. customs broker. The broker will then process the customs clearance with U.S. Customs and Border Protection. This ensures that your shipment complies with all regulations and can enter the U.S. smoothly. Effective communication with your broker is essential during this stage to address any questions or issues that may arise. After customs clearance, the next step is to arrange for the final delivery of the goods from the port to the final inland location. This involves coordinating with a reliable transportation provider, like 150-10 Logistics, to ensure that the shipment is delivered promptly and safely. When exporting goods from the Bahamas, it's essential to choose the right shipping method based on your business needs. Exporting via air freight is a faster option, making it ideal for time-sensitive goods, though it tends to be more expensive. On the other hand, ocean freight is generally more cost-effective for larger, bulk shipments, despite involving longer transit times. This method allows for greater volume and weight limits, making it suitable for businesses looking to reduce shipping costs on non-perishable or less time-sensitive products. Additionally, ocean freight often provides more flexible shipping schedules and can accommodate a wide range of cargo types. Ultimately, selecting the option that best aligns with your budget, timeline, and product requirements will ensure a smoother exporting process.